Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at Andararaimu, two-syllable verbs and conjugating them into the past. So again, just a recap of our rules. If a verb begins with a gota, A-E-I-O-U, you put in a D apostrophe. So ulvig, to prepare, dulvig, prepared. If the brehir begins with B, C, D, G, M, P, S, T, you add in a shevu. So, kiangle, to tie, chiangle, tied. Now remember, some letters and consonants like H, L, N, or S, C, S, M don't take a shevu. So raunig, to choose, raunig stays the same, chose. And if a brehir begins with an F, you put in a D apostrophe and a H when you're putting in the past tense. So fragger, to answer, dragger, answered. So just a recap on our pronouns. May, I, to, you. She, here, it. She, shin, us. Shiv, ye, she'd, they. And remember, two-syllable verbs that end with AIGH, AIL, AIS, AIN, and AIR is brehir lahanid. They're broad verbs. And brehir that end with IGH, IL, IS, IN, IR is brehir cuilid. They're slender verbs. So let's conjugate these two-syllable verbs in the past. So raunig, to choose. Raunig me, I chose. Raunig tu, you chose. Raunig she, he chose. Raunig she chose. Raunia mar, we chose. Raunig shiv, ye chose. Raunig shiad, they chose. Let's conjugate ulvig, to prepare. Dulvig me, I prepared. Dulvig tu, you prepared. Dulvig she, he prepared. Dulvig she prepared. Dulvimar, we prepared. Dulvig shiv, ye prepared. Dulvig shiad, they prepared. Bolig, to gather or collect. Volig me, I collected. Volig tu, you collected. Volig she, he collected. Volig she collected. Voliamar, we collected. Volig shiv, ye collected. Volig shiad, they collected. Festig, to celebrate. Daystig me, I celebrated. Daystig tu, you celebrated. Daystig she, he celebrated. Daystig she celebrated. Daystig amar, we celebrated. Daystig shiv, ye celebrated. Daystig shiad, they celebrated. So, like on Caedreimu, we don't have shin. Instead, we add in an ending. So, if a two-syllable verb is slender, instead of shin, we drop the IGH and we add I fada OMAR. So, bal becomes baliamar. Dairig, shin becomes dairiomar. And if the verb is lahan, broad, instead of shin, we drop AIGH and add AI fada OMAR. So raunig becomes rauniamar. Kianig becomes kianiamar. So we're just going to look at conjugating the other type of verbs in the Daraimu two-syllable verbs. Uskal, open. Duskal me, I opened. Duskal tu, you opened. Duskal she, he opened. Duskal she opened. Duskliomar, we opened. Duskal shiv, ye opened. Duskal shiad, they opened. Dever, to expel. Dever me, I expelled. Dever tu, you expelled. Dever she, he expelled. Dever she expelled. Deviomar, we expelled. Dever shiv, ye expelled. Dever shiad, they expelled. So, what about the other endings that don't have AIGH or IGH? Well, there is a little bit of additional work here when you're adding in the shin. So first of all, remove the vowels in the ending. So for example, duskal, the ending is AIL. You remove those vowels, AI, so it becomes duskla. And then you add your I fada OMAR or I fada OMAR. So duskliamar. So as you can see, you've dropped the AI and added in the ending. So just to recap, if the breather is slender, you add in I follow OMAR. So dimmer, you drop the I at the ending and it comes dimriomar. We played. Again with dinish, you drop the I in the ending and it becomes dinshiomar. We told. Again, if a verb is broad, Lahan, you add in a I follow OMAR. So dragger becomes dragra, you drop the AI, dragriomar. We answered. And cuggen, to chew, chewed, you drop the AI and you get cogniomar. We chewed.
Agus sin é.